And there we go. All right, so let's get started. So I think we can do the purple because the fall look is coming and it's very interesting. Unless you guys really want blue, you can, you know, tag in, type up, and let me know what you want. So I've already put on my base and I use the usual. It's NYX. You can get this from a local pharmacy. So I'm just gonna put another layer of the base here. And you know, lately I've been noticing that when I wear mascara, I don't know why, but either my lashes have grown, like after a couple of hours, it like tags up to my shadow right up here. We're gonna start with putting just a simple color over the base all over. So I'm gonna go with a choice like this one, like Rice Paper by MAC. But it's just to give it a little bit of a base. So you wanna grab that from your lid all the way to your brows. All right, next, we're gonna do gold. Just a little touch right there. This one is called, it's Gold Mine by MAC. You guys know I love this color. I just gravitate towards it all the time. So I'm going to choose this dark purple right here. Got a little bit of money right there. And this one is a Sephora palette. So they just run by numbers. And this one is called 132802. So I'm gonna use a contour brush. It's kind of like a little bit tougher than the lid brush. So I have that purple, but I also want to point out I have this purple here by MAC as well. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix them up a little bit. So let's go ahead and start. So initially what I'm gonna do is just kind of like put it towards the end right here. It's such a sweet purple, isn't it? But the thing is, for the fall, that's more like a spring purple. So I just want to kind of get that on the base here. All right, so if you take a look, you know, you get the yellow and the purple going here. But like I said, we want to go for a dramatic fall look. So we're going to go ahead and make this much darker. I'm going to take this purple color here. So what we did was we initially put this color on right here. And I'm going to add on very dark. I'm going to go right there with it. And put the tissue right here. I'm just going to make it all really dark. All right, so you can see how dark that looks, right? So before I go ahead and blend it, because I want to go even darker, I am going to do my crease. Just looking for, yeah. I'm gonna use an angle blending brush like this. And all right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the light purple. So I'm gonna take the light purple right here. It's a nice color, it's almost like a periwinkle. And I'm gonna take it over here and I'm just gonna go back and forth like this. Kind of like wish-washing. Same on the other side. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Okay. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go take the same light purple brush that I have and go into this Dazzleite, which you all know is my favorite color in the entire world. And I'm gonna go ahead and just raise it up to my eyebrows and bring it right there. Just to bring it all together, you see? And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake off what I have on the brush, just on the tissue, and I'm gonna blend it. So I'm just gonna kind of blend it up like this. Blend again. I'm gonna take the same blending brush from earlier and blend it. Just raise up your brows if you have to, so you can blend it. All right, let's see what we have here. Look how nice that came out. You see? Yeah, okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the bottom. So since I did the purple on the top, I'm gonna stick to the purple on the bottom. I'm gonna grab like a small smudge brush, you see? Something very tiny like this. So now what we're gonna do is, I just want like a nice purple look on the bottom, so I don't want to go too dark. I'm gonna mix the purple with a little bit of the dark purple and just kind of wish-wash back and forth. And you gotta decide how thick you want it to go. Naturally, for a dramatic look, it usually looks better to be thicker. So, but I get, you know, just gonna brush my brows here and maybe clean it up a little bit. I'm using line comb. I'm just gonna clean up my brows a little bit. I don't like to pat too hard when I'm doing the brows, because you kind of want it to look natural. And we all know as we get older that it's harder and harder and harder to do. Okay, so let's go to mascara. I'm going to use 2 mascaras today. I'm gonna start with Chanel La Volume, and then I'm gonna end with Lancome. And after doing all this work, like, I hate washing it off, right? Like, when you guys wash your face at night, like, isn't it like, oh my god, my eyes look so pretty, I don't want to wash it off? Yeah. All right, so I have a little blush left on my blush brush, if I were to find it. Here we go. Just gonna add some blush. Guess what it's time for? Red lips. That's right, my red lips. I love red lips. Okay, today I'm gonna wear Armani. Here it is. Okay, so this is Armani 400. I'm gonna use this. Oh, let me see if I have any comments here before I go on. Okay. Look at this color. Love, love, love this color. Love it. It really pops out the purple. What do you guys think? Doesn't it? I think it does. Yeah, I love this look. Alrighty then. So yeah, so that's my look. What do you guys think? Okay, yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some highlighter, because highlighters are so much fun. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Aurora palette, and like I said, I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just gonna use my little dinky fan brush right here, and I'm gonna use the Eclipse color shade, just kind of wiggle it back and forth right here. Oh, this is so pampering, I swear. Like, I could just have a cup of tea after this and enjoy. Something maybe right here. Oh gosh, look at that. Doesn't that look so nice? I'm using this color here. Yeah, so that's the look. What do you guys think? I want comments. Hold on, let me see. Thank you, Ursula. Thank you so much. Just hang tight for a second. I need to wash my hands, and I'm gonna put on my hijab. Show you guys how I do that. I have been experimenting my hijabs in different ways, and they don't always make sense to me because I'm still learning. I have yet to YouTube how to do this, and I was thinking of obviously doing my own YouTubes. So this one is like brownish, like I think it'll go with the purple, and it has all these nice multi-colors here. You can see the shades, you know, depending on the reflection of the light, you'll see a little bit of purple, a little bit of blue, even some yellow gold tones. So this is supposed to be worn alone and individually, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try something different. I don't even know if this is gonna work out, but let me see. I don't mind if it doesn't work out, but let me see. So just wanna make sure this is proper. All right. That way, when I come home from wherever I go and I take off my hijab, my hair looks awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna tug it into here in the back. And all right, That's that. And now let's see if I can do this double layer here. I need a bigger mirror. Okay, let me see. What I want to do is keep the blue intact where it is and raise the brown. Yep, there we go. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just playing along here, but it seems like it's working, so that's good. And then I'm going to take this part here. It's so nice and shiny. And raise it over, I guess. Let it fall out in the back. I love these purplish blue ones. And since my eyes are purplish blue, I think we should use those. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pin that right here on top of the brown to bring up some contrast. Look at that. Okay, let's see here. Let me even it out. Yeah, see? And then I'm gonna take the rest, I don't know if you guys can see from back there, and kind of just like, because I do want to still show my necklace a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm just going to pin that right there. Yeah, so that's my look for today. What do you guys think? Look at that. See, I like how this whole thing kind of like matches up with the hijab look. See? Yeah, I mean, I love my hair. I have beautiful hair. So trust me, it's so hard. But yeah, just trying to make this a little bit more fun. So it almost looks bluish from the lighting here, but it is a fall look. It's purple. And I think it's a great look. You can, if you don't want to do the red lips, you can do like nude lips. If you don't want to go too strong, is Jubilee by MAC. It's an amazing nude lip. And Huda Beauty makes Bombshell, if you want to do that. And taupe is in between like nude and a little bit of color. It's almost like a dark coffee color, like a cafe color. So that's also a very nice color. And you can rock this look with any one of those colors. So yeah. And as always, my lovely ladies, I just love coming on. I need to take out more time. It's just, you know, with the kids and the work and the schedule and yada, 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 it just takes forever. But I'm going to start going live on YouTube as well, because I want you guys to come on my YouTube. If you haven't subscribed already, come on, it's Aneela K. And my Instagram is also at Aneela K Makeup. So watch me there, come on there. I want to try to go live on some other social media platforms as well. So I want to see you guys there. But thanks for joining in. Thank you so much for encouraging me. Each and every one of you have been there for me through this transitional phase that I'm going through. And I want you to know that I don't take it for anything small. So I really appreciate all your efforts in helping me with this transitional phase right now. And hopefully it'll be a success. So go ahead and copy this look and post it. I want to see those posts, okay? And I want to see comments. I'm going to go ahead and take a few selfies right now and post them and ask you guys what you thought of the tutorial. All right. I will check you guys out later, and let me know what you guys want to do next time. I'm thinking maybe next time we could do like pink and purple, right? Like get out of the warm tones and maybe do that. But you guys let me know what you want. So until next time, I'll check you guys out later. Lots of love from Aneela K. Bye. Mwah. Ta-ta.